Today on your favorite podcast, we are discussing about how one deals with public opinions and perceptions about them. Me in particular, I go through this like every day. When people see me, they assume that
that's because if they were in that position, that's what they would do. If you don't take care, people are going to change how you view yourself. You get to a point where you realize that, Charlie, nobody feeds me. I take care of myself. What you think about me is not going to change anything.
I would also use myself as an example. Okay, I've kind of like been a topic for a very long time. I am not the person who built. I just introduced the person. You guys do whatever you are supposed to do. An issue came up. You come out on social media. I won't do that because if you can't take it to the law, maybe social media is your law.
Ahoufe, we would like to know how you dealt with the Calibus, dating issue.
How many of your exes are you friends with?
None.
So if Calibus and I had any sort of relationship apart from business or work, do you think we'll still be this cool? Like, just think about it. The rumors that Calibus was my boyfriend never stopped anybody from talking to me. It never stopped anything. So yeah, we moved.